यज्ञेश शेट्टी द्वारा जरूरियातमंद बच्चों के साथ एक अनोखे रूप से मनाया ब्रूस ली का 80वां जन्मदिवस और साथ ही साथ ब्रूस ली स्पिरिट के द्वारा कोरोना वायरस को पूरी तरह से भगाता हुआ पोस्टर का भी विमोचन किया। मुंबई में पिछले 12 सालों से 27 नवंबर को चीता जीत कुंडू ग्लोबल स्पोर्ट फेडरेशन के चेयरमैन एवं मार्शल आर्ट एक्सपर्ट चीता यज्ञेश शेट्टी हर साल मुंबई में बड़े धूमधाम से मनाते हैं, पर इस साल कोरोना की वजह से कुछ अलग अंदाज में सेलिब्रेट किया है। आइए सुनते हैं चीता यज्ञेश शेट्टी को।
नमस्ते, आई एम चीता यज्ञेश शेट्टी, founder president of Cheetah Jeet Kune Do Global Sports Federation. This year we are celebrating Bruce Lee's 80th birth anniversary, and we are delighted to tell you this point that we are celebrating this from the 12 years. Having every year we have a different kind of social theme in this, like global warming and blood donation. I pledge to protect women empowerment. This year we have the different kind of thing where we educate some underprivileged children for education. We are giving them food and books and all these things. And the theme of this year's program is COVID-19 virus. This has become a worldwide fire all around. Now we just want to educate all the slum kids regarding this, how to protect themselves. Just for saying, Bruce Lee spirit kicking out COVID-19 virus from the world. This is social distancing. This is 1 meter distance from each other. The second part is the mask. If you are going to put the mask, you are safe. After putting the mask, we have to sanitize. This is a sanitize. So if you do this, the COVID will go out of the world. So all kids and all parents, keep guiding your children to focus on how to kick the COVID away like Bruce Lee's spirit. Thank you.
I'm glad to be part of Bruce Lee's 80th birth anniversary, which is happening in Mumbai in India. And this charity function organized by the founder of CJKD, Mr. Cheetah Yajneesh Shetty, whom I know for many years, who does charity all across the world. I was in a charity program with him in many countries. And we have Mr. Trishan, who is the CEO of the CJKD. And I'm glad to see in this particular Bruce Lee's birthday, which is happening in India, with the spirit and philosophy which Bruce Lee said, that was carried on by CJKD and Mr. Cheetah Yajneesh Shetty. I'm truly glad to see the great things are happening. Even during this pandemic, I mean known that he was doing a lot of charity work for the needy people whom were into helping poor and many children, street children especially. So it's a great thing. I heard that it's happening for the 12 years he is doing continuously for the birthday on the Bruce Lee's birth anniversary, and it's a great thing. And I wish everyone, especially Mr. Cheetah Yajneesh Shetty, to live long, to celebrate and carry on the philosophy and the spirit which Bruce Lee had within him. Thank you so much.